Okay, so welcome back everyone. Today is all about the two-handed spear, Odin's weapon. And I think we will start from the beginning, the basics, because when you're out fighting other people you can see some weird shit going on. There are three main ways to hold the two-handed spear, in my opinion. We have this standard grip with the hand under, and we have the overhand grip, and those two are pretty much the same. This one is a little bit safer because it's much harder to push the spear out of your front hand, like in this case. So this is a little bit safer, but it's pretty much the same thing. And then we have the overhand here or up here, stabbing down straight ahead. To me this one is the hardest to get precision, because two-handed spears and one-handed spear is all about precision. You need to be able to hit really small target zones really fast and safe. I used to have it in this height when I'm not engaging. This is my home position. Now it's locked, and when I stab I move out, cueing, and you notice if I go low, the spear is down low, the whole spear, and when I'm doing the high stabs, I move the whole thing up. But I start from here, going up and stab, going up and stab. So it's always moving like this. I don't do this stupid shit, because if you hit the shield, it's really easy to bounce off and up in the opponent's head, and you don't want that. Not in our system. So keep it parallel to the ground all the way up until you come to this. Then it's good to have it at least parallel or a little bit downwards. Down. Okay? Parallel up to here and then down. Okay? Okay, so training with a two-handed spear and a one-handed spear is really easy to do alone, because the most important thing is the safety and be able to, with precision, stab a small area. So it's easy just to find something to hit and go for it many times. But it's important not to just go through the motion and don't think about it. Know what you're doing and think about it. You're in a fighting situation, so you need to have the fighting spirit, really go for it. There, moving. Okay, so know what you're doing and do it with the right intent. Okay, so 3 easy exercises doing when you're solo training with a two-handed spear. It's stabbing from here down, or the low attack here, the high attack, and this one is to do moving forward, stabbing, 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 and end here. It's not always about moving forward, it's backwards as well. So this is number 1, forward, 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 and then we do it with a block. And a block is simple, just moving down in some way. Okay, so this motion and then the stab, and low and high. Okay, and when you're doing the blocking, it's important just not to overdo it, because it takes a lot of time to move it that far out. You just need to be away from the body. Bum, bum. Like this. Be fast. Bum. Okay, that was number 2. First one, only the stabbing, moving forward. Number 2, block, stab. And number 3, moving backwards. Oftentimes the opponent would go for the the leg in our case, when you have the leg as a target zone, stabbing to this because it's in front of myself. So I need to move it and also making a counter. High, low, and this one moving back. There. 3 exercises. Do it in the air, do it towards something, pick a target, and doing this all over. Try it out. Okay, so that was all for now. See you in the next one. Bam!